We're in session in County Court Law Number 2, Jefferson County, Texas. Judge Terrence Holmes presiding. We have our announcement docket scheduled at 9 a.m. on today's date of October 20 to 2021. See on Zoom, we have two attorneys, Mr. J. Michael Reisinger and Mr. Terrence Allison. Mr. Reisinger, you could take your mic off of mute. Your client is named Hamza Zawar. He has not made an appearance yet. And so once
he's here with me, Your Honor.
Oh, he is? Okay. Okay. Now, Mr. Zawar, how are you doing?
Hey, how are you?
That's good. And Mr. Reisinger, how are you doing?
We're doing good, Judge.
That's good. Now, Mr. Reisinger, Mr. Zawar's case is on the court's announcement docket. Do you have an announcement that you would like to make in Mr. Zawar's case?
Your Honor, we're still negotiating with the with the DA's office at this time, and we're still got to go through all the discovery so right now we're just going to ask for the case to pass till we have more time to visit with the district attorney's office to see if we can reach an agreement. If we can't, then we'll request to be placed on the trial docket.
Okay. How much time do you need?
Your Honor, at least till December or January,
Okay.
I'm out for most of the month of November is all I'm saying, Judge. Just
Okay.
your house.
Okay. Okay. Your Mr. Zawar,
Yes, sir.
your case is going to be reset until December 15th of 2021.
Okay.
Your attorney will be sent notice of your reset date.
Okay.
And Mr. Reisinger, we will send you notice of the reset date. This will conclude your case. You are excused and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Zawar, you are excused as well and you have a blessed day.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, thank you. You're welcome. Did you get Christopher Curtis? Come on, right. We're in session in clause number 329380. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Christopher Derrick Curtis. Mr. Curtis, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Curtis?
Fine, sir.
That's good. Mr. Curtis, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Terrence Allison, who is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Allison, how are you doing?
I'm fine, Judge.
Mr. Allison, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Curtis's case?
I do not, Judge. I'd ask for a short reset so that Mr. Curtis can come to my office so that we can talk and so that I can need time to make sure I got all the discovery and everything.
Okay. How much time do you said a short recess? Would
Yeah,
a
it
normal
can be.
recess be fine?
A normal one would be great.
Okay. Give us a day. What's it? December 8th. Okay. The case is reset to December 8th of 2021. Mr. Curtis, you can stand on there on the Forex. You can get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And
Thank you, Judge.
you're welcome. And Mr. Allison, your reset will be sent to you.
Thank
You're
you.
free to go and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, Judge. You too. Bye-bye.
Bye. Call, is that Cody Henry? We're in session and cause number 330010. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Cody Lee Henry. Mr. Henry, is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Henry?
I'm doing pretty good.
That's good. Mr. Henry, you're here represented by your attorney James Paget. Mr. Paget, how are you doing?
Good morning, Your Honor. I'm doing well.
Good morning, Mr. Paget. Do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Henry's case?
Yes, Your Honor. We've received all the discovery. Within the past week, received the DVD evidence. What I need to do is just some time to sit down with Mr. Henry. He's been very cooperative. I'm sure we can get an appointment within the next couple of weeks.
Okay,
And then this case will be worked out.
okay. You're gonna, we keeping it on the on the announcement act.
That'll be fine. It'll be disposed of on the next sitting.
Okay, could you give us a date? Okay,
It's fine.
case is reset to December 8th. Mr. Paget, you can get stand over there and sign the pad.
Yes, Your Honor.
Mr. Henry, once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
You just have a seat right there and where that tape is and one of those seats. I'll be right with you. Yes, ma'am.
And Mr. Paget, we have your next client on Zoom.
Yeah, I do have a
This-
plan on Zoom right
Yes.
now.
The next case is cause number 329776. Case is styled the state of Texas versus Claire E. Arrington. And Ms. Arrington is appearing via Zoom. Ms. Arrington, how are you doing?
I'm doing well, Your Honor. How are you doing today?
I'm doing fine. Thanks for asking.
Awesome.
Ms. Arrington, you're here represented by Attorney James Paget. Attorney Paget, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Ms.
Yes, Your Honor.
Arrington's case?
Miss Arrington would have been here this morning. She had some really bad car trouble. And
Okay.
It was last minute situation. So our goal today was to dispose of the case. So we'll get the vehicle fixed. I've received all the discovery now.
Okay,
So all I need to do is just sit down with Miss Arrington and discuss that. And then, is it your case or Daniel's?
It's my case.
Okay, then I'll get an offer from her, but we're really close to having it disposed of. In fact, that was our goal this morning, but she had an emergency
Okay.
situation with the vehicle.
could you give
So
us your?
your next date.
December 8th would be the Sunday.
Okay, we'll reset, your case is reset to December 8th. Ms. Arrington, your attorney will be given a copy of your reset notice. This will conclude your case. You're free to go. And you have a blessed day, and we hope that troubles that you was having will be solved. And you're free to go, so you have a blessed
Your Honor,
day.
I would like to state this also. Miss Arrington is addressing all of her problems. She's doing really, really well. She's currently in outpatient treatment and.
I'm finished now.
What did you say?
She's finished.
She finished her program.
Congratulations.
Clean drug tests. She's taken all her classes. She's
Good.
taking parenting classes. She's doing real good with her children. She's a
Good.
full-time college student.
Good.
So I knew you'd want to hear that. because
Yeah,
you'd be
that's-
very proud of her.
Yeah, that's some good news.
She's done some amazing things.
Right. We just encourage you to keep up the good work. And I know, as I say this all the time, the road to recovery starts off with that first step, admitting that you have a problem. And that road is, the race is not a sprint, it's a marathon. It's a long way to go, but, you will get tired along the way, but you have some people that you can lean on. It could be family, friends, and the people who are helping you in the support groups that you have. And we like to encourage you to stay on that road to recovery. And
Absolutely.
encourage you to, take care of those kids that you have.
Yes, sir. Thank
Okay,
you.
Sure.
all right. And you have a blessed day. You're free to go.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay.
I think she needed to hear that. She's
Yes.
currently purchased a new home too.
Oh,
She's-
wow.
she's doing really
Oh, that's great.
So, If you'll, before I call in the next two, Your Honor, I need to step outside. and
That's
talk to
fine.
them because
We'll
they have
hold on it.
offers on the file. I'm gonna
We'll
see
hold
what
on it.
they're doing to us.
She just need you to sign.
Absolutely. So I need to talk to him before I can make my announcement.
Would you? They like they talking on that. Yeah. Oh, okay. Why don't you go in there and get them? That's the guy, that's the guy that's sitting right there. That was the first one, wasn't it? He was gonna give it to him.
Donald Lewis.
Okay, Mr. Lewis, would you come forward?
Yes.
This is cause number 325374. The case is style of state of Texas versus Donald Ray Lewis. Mr. Lewis, is that your full name?
Yes.
How are you doing, Mr. Lewis? You getting better?
Yes.
Okay. Okay, we'll continue to pray for you that you continue to get better and stronger. Okay, have a full recovery. Now, Mr. Lewis, you are represented by your attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith. He's on Zoom. Mr. Smith, how are you doing?
I'm okay, Your Honor.
Okay, Mr. Smith, do you have an announcement you'd like to make?
Yes, Your Honor. Yes, Your Honor, we would ask for just a normal reset for a plea.
Okay, could you give us a date?
November 29th.
Okay, the case is reset to November 29th. Mr. Smith, and your reset will be sent to you. And Mr. Donald Lewis, you can stand on the far X in front of our court coordinator. She's gonna give you your reset. Once she give you your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Thank you, Your Honor.
You're welcome. Jerica Lewis. Good morning. This is cause number 329216. The case is style of state of Texas versus Jerica Lewis. We have Ms. Lewis who is appearing in court, and her attorney, Mr. Bruce Smith, is appearing via Zoom. Mr. Smith, what is your announcement in Ms. Lewis's case?
Yes, Your Honor, same announcement. There's a normal reset for a plea.
Okay. It's gonna be the same announcement, a reset for plea. Yes.
November 29th.
Okay, Ms. Lewis, your case is gonna be reset to November 29th for a plea. Ms. Lewis, you can stand on the far X and get your reset. Once you get your reset, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Smith, your reset will be sent to you. And I
Thank
think
you, Your Honor.
this is your last case.
That is correct, Your Honor.
You're free to go and you have a blessed day as well.
Thank you, you as well, Your Honor.
Thank you. Oh, Mr. Dowd, you ready on your case?
This is the one that we've been resetting, waiting on the felony, and I think we may be gonna have dismissal, I don't know.
Yeah, I don't see a felony still pending.
Yeah, it's been resolved. So the guy that did you? So.
Do you wanna reset it? Whatever you
Even
want
if
to
you
do.
get one more.
Sure, whatever.
Which is, and make sure.
Okay.
Okay, get John Culver.
Culver?
It looks like it was a family assault felony, and so it's.
Felony? No. Oh, that over there.
The previous case, I mean, the other
And
case.
so
right.
it is possible that that could be dispository of this. I mean, a lot of times in assault,
Well, I don't, you just have to talk to
yeah.
That's up to
the
you.
felony prosecutor, I guess. Okay, this is cause number 323244. The case is styled the state of Texas versus John Albert Culver. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Carver?
Pretty good.
That's good, Mr. Carver. You're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Philip Dowden. Mr. Dowden, how are you doing?
I'm great, Your Honor. Thank you.
That's good. Now, state and defense, y'all recommending a reset?
We are, Your Honor, just to clear up some matters as to the other case that he had in another court. And
Okay.
whether this is going to be taken care of by that.
Okay, so that won't be dispositive of this case. Okay, could give us a reset?
December the 8th.
I may be on vacation.
Okay. You don't want something sooner or?
It's.
What about the
somebody's on
29th?
vacation, The
Yeah, I mean, it's gonna be disposed of one way or the other.
December 8th, I'm gonna be in Vegas.
Okay, you want to do November 29th?
Yes.
Put on a feedback, Judge?
Yes. Okay, your case is gonna be reset to November 29th.
Yes, sir.
You're gonna get your reset from your attorney. Once you get your reset from your attorney, you'll be free to go, and you have a blessed day. And Mr. Dowd, please stand over there on the X in front of our coordinator and sign your reset. Once you get your reset, depending on what you want your client to do,
Just
Mr.
wait outside for him.
Okay.
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah, all right, you're welcome. Just get your reset and you'll be free to go.
I'm ready.
Yes, sir.
Just sign the pad, that's from Mr. Pad.
Could you get Mr. Kelly's clients? It's Melissa Amita and John Milo.
Judge, they're both present outside the courtroom. If you wouldn't mind holding so I can speak with the safety.
Okay, I'll hold.
Thank you.
Thank you. Have a great day.
Okay, you're welcome.
Thank you.
Okay, could you get Ronald LeBeau? That's Mr. Tom Burbank's client. He's on.
I don't think he's there, Judge.
He had announced earlier.
Did he?
Yeah, I have him checked all my docket. Yeah, there he is.
Okay.
Mr. LeBeau?
I received,
You come forward. This is Ronald LeBeau. This is cause number 328462. The case is style of state of Texas versus Ronald Jermaine LeBeau.
Correct.
Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. LeBeau?
Blessed. Thank God. I'm another day.
That's good. Mr. LeBeau, you're represented by your attorney, Mr. Tom Burbank, who's appearing via Zoom. Mr. Burbank, how are you doing?
I'm doing pretty good, Judge.
Okay, Mr. Burbank, do you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. LeBeau's case?
Well, Your Honor, yesterday afternoon or yesterday during the day, I received a phone call from a Pastor Terrell Chapman, who is God's Way Spiritual Maintenance, Round Rock, Texas. He advised, or his congregation advised, that Ronald or Mr. LeBeau was not going to be present today. That's the reason why I'm on video right now. That he was in Round Rock and could not afford to go down there, and he was living in a halfway house or some type of mission there. With that being said, hold on, if I could, I'm not finished.
Okay.
If you give me some time and the prosecutor will call me, I can be down there probably within an hour. And Mr. LeBeau, probably this could be taken care of real fast with a plea if the prosecutor will call me. It's only a trespassing case, and I will come down and take care of it.
That's fine.
I would have been there except for what was told to me.
Okay. And Mr. LeBeau was saying that was incorrect.
It was
Yeah.
the transportation issue.
Right.
I was calling ahead of time just in case something got me late.
I understand. Okay, okay, he's, okay,
It's
But in-
not- I'm not gonna have a PR run and say, okay, I can't make it.
okay, okay,
That was
okay,
misinformation. I
okay,
apologize.
okay, no, okay. So, Mr. Burbank, Mr. Burbank is gonna be on his way down here,
Yes, sir.
so just have a
Right, I
seat.
should be there, Judge. Yeah, I should be there probably about 10:30.
That's fine.
I do have the 252nd. I have to take care of, not that you're not
Okay.
important, but there, and what was communicated to me. And if the prosecutor could give me a call with an offer so I can talk to my client, we'd be able to
That's
take
fine.
care of this.
Okay, okay, that's fine. All right. All
Can I be
right.
excused until I
Yes,
get.
you may be excused and you have a, we'll be seeing you in a little bit.
Yes, sir. Right.
You ready on your cases?
Yes, Your Honor.
Which-
You call them at the court's leisure.
Okay, would you call, Mr. Kelly's clients?
Is Mylan yours or Danny's? Is John Mylan your case or Danny's?
John Milo.
Miss Daniels.
Miss, who's that? Is that Almeida?
Yes, Judge.
Melissa Almeida?
Feel okay?
I'm feeling really pregnant.
Okay, this is cause number 325626. The case is styled the state of Texas versus Melissa Lynn Almeida.
Yes.
We have Miss Almeida. How are you doing, Miss Almeida?
Good, for the most part.
Okay. Now, Miss Almeida, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Tom Kelly. Mr. Kelly, how are you doing?
Just fine, Judge. How are you this morning?
I'm doing fine. Mr. Kelly, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Miss Almeida's case?
Judge, I think we may be close to a resolution. If you'd allow us to stay on the announcement docket one more time.
Okay. Give us a reset. Okay, it's gonna be reset till December. Yeah, December 8th. Mr. Kelly, stand over there, sign the pad. And for the reset, once you get your reset from your attorney, Miss Almeida, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Okay, thank you.
John Milam,
He's present, Judge.
he signed out. Okay. This is cause number 327300. Case is style of state of Texas versus John Royce Milam. Is that your full name?
Yes, sir.
How you doing, Mr. Milam?
Pretty good.
That's good. Mr. Milam, you're here represented by your attorney, Mr. Kelly. Mr. Kelly. I see here. Did he
did,
provide
Judge.
proof of, okay. Okay, Mr. Kelly, you have an announcement you'd like to make in Mr. Milam's case?
Same announcement, Judge. We've got a little bit more discovery to complete before we can make an announcement.
And so you want to reset on same date, December 8th?
Please, Judge.
Okay. Mr. Kelly, you can sign your reset. And once your attorney give you reset, Mr. Milam, you'll be free to go and you have a blessed day.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
And Mr. Kelly, I think this will conclude your cases. You'll be free to go as well and you have a blessed day.
You as well, Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
I didn't see one right away.
She doesn't remember.
Miss, let's see, did Miss, are you ready on yours, Mr. Pat?
Not quite, Your Honor.
Okay, we'll hold.
I'm just being patient with Ms. Maxey. She's
Okay.
busy.
No, it doesn't look like there was.
Okay, that's fine. So I'll apply. And then,
Okay.
you can